Oh, god damn. I guess it ain't that easy. So tried to give me problems. Not today. Not today, brother. All right, everybody. So we're going to change the freaking cam position sensor, which is down in there. Symptoms are kind of like sometimes it's hard to start. It'll miss. It may cut out. It'll lack power. There's two of them. There's one bank A and bank B. You have your intake on this side and your exhaust on the other side. It's easy to swap out, but you have to remove a lot of shit to get to it. So what we'll do is remove the breather, Vano solenoid, so breather, solenoid, this cover, and the air box right here. So again, you're gonna want to remove the breather, this, which I believe is a 22, to back it off to give you space to pull it off because it's right here. You can see it right there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'll go ahead and get that started now. I don't have too long because the sun is running from me. All right, let's see. Took about maybe what, 5 minutes to get everything off, box removed. So now we can see the sensor, which is right there. It's right there. So after I took off the Vanos solenoid right here, which that looks to be in really good condition. Some oil came out, not much. Let me use the other light. Oh, fuck. So now you can see everything. So there is the sensor right there. So what I'm gonna do is take off the top bolt. We'll remove the top bolt, back it off, take the O-ring out with it, and then the connection harness is down here behind the alternator. It's this one right there. Let me move this out of the way. It's right here. So just disconnect this harness, back out the Allen wrench, or I'm sorry, the Allen bolt. Please, probably a 5mm that holds it. Right there. Take off the Allen bolt, undo the harness down there, back it out, and put the new one in. You should be good to go. It's pretty easy, it's not hard. Alright, so the sun has officially set and we got everything in there. So put the breather cap back on, or the breather tube on, put the Vano solenoid back in, which is right there. Connected everything down there on the harness. It's dark, but it's right here. That harness right there. So everything is back on. I'm gonna put the filter box back on. And then clear the code, fire it up, and hopefully that's it.